Hello everyone, it's ProfeshTrader, and I have another quick Forex tip for you. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos and backtesting and also at least practicing the skills on your demo. Okay? Educational purposes only. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm just offering some cool information that helps me and many of our students. Okay, so this video is brought to you by pamsters.com. I will provide the link in the description box. Please visit the site. Also, I will provide the Forex broker link in the description box. Go there and go ahead and get started. Alright, so this video is going to show you how to swing trade and how to tell if the market is in a downtrend or an uptrend for the year. Now, usually there are 1 to 2 opportunities for a swing trade a year, and I will show you very quickly. Let's go ahead and say, okay. So let's go ahead and go to the day chart, and let's go ahead and go all the way back. Now, I want you to see something. We're on the day chart. Remember, each candle is a day on the day chart. If you were to go to the 1 hour chart, each candle is 1 hour. All right, so this is back all the way in May of last year. The market, let me go ahead and move this video over a tad. Okay, so let's say the market up at this wick is at 139, 1.3988. All right. So how did you know when it was going to be a downtrend for the year? Very, very simple. Not necessarily easy until you understand it and experience the market for yourself. Okay? So here's what we have. Remember the white line, which is our moving average, a simple moving average, which if this is one of your first videos, please refer to all of the other videos, especially the moving averages when we plotted them on the charts. This is the 200 moving average, you see? Okay. On the day chart, when the candles cross over the white line, the 200, the moving average, what it likes to do, okay, is cross usually and then like a double tap. So it crosses, so that I guess you could say that's one tap, and then it will cross again and tap that moving average, and then when you see price under the 200, which it is, that's a downtrend. This is a downtrend for the year, a swing trade. So so let me go ahead and show you now. Before I get into that, now when you see this, which it is you see it's starting to get ready to turn eventually. Now when you see this price cross the 200, be prepared for a reversal for the year, for a swing trade. Okay, now what is a swing trade? Basically, guys, there's a way that you can put in one position and literally hold it and until it's over. So I'll give you an example. It's a long-term trade, basically. Okay, what if back in May of 2014 you had, let's say you had $1,000 in your account, and remember the broker we have higher leverage than other brokers that you may be used to, so you can trade higher positions with lower money and leverage. So let's say around 130, 138, you put in a 1 volume trade, which is $10 per pip, and just let it go all the way till now. Do you see how many pips we're talking about? Now let's say you're able to stack it, okay? And you know how to plot your positions with your Fibonacci and your support and resistance lines, which I have videos on that as well. Let's say you knew that, so every time it crossed one of the Fibonacci lines, you put in another position. So now you have more strength. You're in a profit. Let's say that you wait for the tap, and then you put in right at this point. Let's say you put in a 2-volume trade, a 3-volume trade, a 4-volume trade. You understand? You're stacking it all the way down, and then finally took out your positions in profit. Do you realize how much money that would be? And you can do that every single year, sometimes twice a year, sometimes twice a year. It's incredible. Okay, so backtest that, and it's very powerful, and it becomes, you notice it becomes a resistance right here. It becomes a resistance line. The moving averages become support and resistance. So you'll start to notice that as well. But that's what you do. You wait for price. So what we're doing right now, we're waiting for price to get ready to possibly make its final descend down, and then cross the white, which is the 200 moving average, and then get ready for a reversal. There's a lot of stuff going on in Europe. This is the Euro USD, so there's a lot of stuff going on in Europe. So we're being very patient, and we're waiting until the perfect time to place our trade. You do not want to rush anything in the market. It's going to be here tomorrow. There's no rush. Just get better every day, and that's what we're doing, guys. So that's very simple, yet you're going to have to experience it, which it will take at least a year to experience a full, and because that's, I mean, look how many pips you could have right here, and I give you 2 options that you could have done right here. As soon as it crossed that support, see how it's tapping it, and then cross. It's amazing. And then you see, and then what do we learn about the explosion? What do we learn? This is the day chart. What happens when the 200 crosses the 400? An explosion. So this is one of the videos that I was not going to put out. But like I said, you guys notice I'm putting out information for free. If you like it, awesome. Go ahead and email me, ProfeshTrader1@gmail.com. If you don't like it, great as well. You know, you can just try it. There's a lot of ways to trade, guys. So I'm not saying this is the only way. And you know, a lot of other people will charge you $350 or $250 or $450 to teach you the basics of what they necessarily can't even prove. So I understand it's a highly competitive market, and people are out here. So you know, so I'm not knocking anybody else. I'm just giving people, anybody who's interested in getting better at trading the market, here you go. It's another tip from ProfeshTrader. Like I said, pamsters.com, and make sure if you want to get started, go ahead and sign up on your own account. Go ahead and sign up with the link I provided in there, and be on the lookout for the next video, guys. This was a swing trade. How to tell if it's a downtrend, uptrend. Let me go ahead and go over it one more time. When price is under the white line, it's a downtrend. When price is above the white line, it's an uptrend. Okay? All right? On the day chart. Remember that, on the day chart. Okay? Have a great day.